Hi again. How are you doing? All right. We are going to start a new week. Today is Monday, and here I am going to give you the task for Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. On this video, you'll have the task for 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Okay? So first of all, we are going to move to our activity book. And here, what you have to do is the summary in a sheet of paper. You have to do it beautiful. You have to do it clear and neat, okay? Because we are going to keep it in the portfolio when we go back to class. And remember, the title of the story was The Church Tower. The Church Tower, okay? So, the Church Tower summary. You have to do as we always do when we listen to the story. All right. Now we are going to go back to the class book and we are going to start a new section. This is a reading comprehension about wildlife friends. So first of all, we are going to read the title of the activity, read the text quickly and answer these questions. You don't have to rush. You don't have to read it quickly. Read it, take your time, and then answer to these questions. How many things are there in the adoption pack? And who is Ziggy? All right? So if you want, I can read it for you. Okay? So the title of this reading is Wildlife Friends. And here we have a fox. Wildlife Friends is an organization that helps British wild animals. We've got 7 centers and we work with thousands of animals every year. We help endangered animals by protecting their habitats. Sometimes animals are injured in accidents. Our vets look after them. Sometimes baby animals lose their parents. We look after the orphans in our centers. Adopt an animal. Would you like to help? It's expensive to look after animals. We need your help. You can adopt one of our animals. We usually have deer, foxes, and red squirrels for adoption. We sometimes have badgers and owls too. You give us a donation and we give your animal a good home here at Wildlife Friends. Thank you, Cho. Cho visited our hospital on her birthday. She adopted Ziggy. Ziggy is a female badger cat. She's 3 months old. She's always hungry. She eats worms and insects. She likes plants too. Ziggy hasn't got a mother. With Cho's money, we can feed and look after Ziggy for 3 months. In your adoption pack we give you a certificate of adoption with a photo of your animal, the story of your animal, a copy of our magazine, a Wildlife Friends badge, a free ticket to the center, and a fact sheet about your animal. Okay? So this is the text, and then what you have to do in your notebook, as always, is to find in activity 2 to find these words in the text. Here you are given the descriptions, the definitions, and you have to find a word, an underlined word in the text. And then in activity 3 you have to read the text again and answer with yes or no. Okay, this questions here. All right, now let's move to this listening activity. Listen and find a photo and the certificate.
Listening 2.51. Listen and find the photo and the certificate.
I went to Wildlife Friends on Saturday. Really? Was it good? Yes, it was brilliant. What did you do? I saw loads of animals. Badgers, hedgehogs, deer. Great! Oh, what's that? It's a certificate. An adoption certificate. Oh, did you adopt an animal? Yes, a fox cub. A baby fox. Look at his photo. Oh, he's sweet. What does he eat? He has special milk, and he likes worms too. Oh, worms? Yes. What's his name? Sonny. How much did it cost to adopt him? £25.
Okay, so in this activity, it says listen and find a photo and a certificate. So listen to it carefully. And then here we have 3 animals and 3 certificates. You have to write down in your notebook which belongs to which. Okay, so for example, you have to look for the fox's certificate. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? And then in activity 2, you have to listen again and choose the right answer. You are given 6 questions and 2 options for every question. So you have to choose the correct one. All right? And then let's finish with this listening. It's very easy and it's very quick. So you can play it as many times as you like. Ready, steady, go.
Listening 2.52. Listen and find the missing words.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes. I'd like to adopt an animal, please.
Which animal would you like?
A deer, please.
This is Percy. He's 3 years old.
Okay. I'd like to adopt Percy.
Right. A deer costs £30. Can you complete this form, please?
That was perfect. So here you have the last task. Remember, you have 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Don't send the task to me on Monday or Tuesday. Send it to me, please, on Thursday. Como es una tarea que os pongo para 3 días, no me la mandéis el lunes si hacéis una parte, porque yo lo que voy a hacer es voy a confeccionar el documento, como siempre hago, with the answers key, es el solucionario, y lo voy a tener listo para el jueves cuando ya me mandéis todo hecho. ¿De acuerdo? So the task is for 3 days. And here you have the book. You don't need a photo because you have the book here in the video. Okay, class? So I must say goodbye, and you will receive another video about arts and crafts, right? So take care and see you soon. Bye bye. I miss you, class.